I'm Emily. I'm in Los Angeles, California, the US. Irene's workshop is amazing. She explains things so well, not just with her words, but with her body and with her breathing, and it makes it so easy to follow along, which is not to say that it's easy to do. It's hard. It's very, very hard, but it's all in the good way. And I've learned so much. She seems to specialize in all the things I need. She seems like she spent more time breaking it down onto this atomic or granular level, and so that it can be taken apart and put back together. And I found myself targeting muscles that I didn't know were there. It was very, very important. I have lots to work on. I realized that I have a tendency to bring my arms too much to the side, and I need to have them more to the front. And she was really good at explaining why that is and helping me find that spot in my balance that I need in order to have my arms and legs where they're supposed to be. I think that it's not just the technique, it's also her sense of music, her sense of intention, her sense of, I don't know, what flamenco is all about, where it comes from, not just in the world, but in the body and in the heart. And she's very good at putting you in touch with flamenco. The advice that I would give to someone looking to take flamenco classes is probably to go find Irene, but to really work on technique, because that informs everything, and gives you the building blocks to make better flamenco.